На часах третий год, полшестого. Капает вниз из крана вода. Мысли ушли на губах, ни слова. Я тебя как будто забыл, но вдруг в голове кто-то воем завыл и рухнул без сил, и поплыл по течению, отдавшись на волю.
Okay, so here is the close-up for the system that I just constructed for our bass player that currently has back pain and can only practice with us in the stand-up position. So I used some leftovers from my dog's tie-out system that I purchased in a local store for like $15. So I created that short cable rail, tied it between two hooks that were included in the system, and just locked it with that locker. It was also included in the package. And I didn't remove that snap just in case if I want to hang something on it. I decided I will not cut it out and save myself that lock. And then I created that loop here. It's adjustable. You can adjust the length of it just in case if I need to hang it higher or lower. When our bass player Eugene is here, we'll adjust it for his height. And let me show you how it's gonna work. Okay, so I'm going to use the same belt that he has. I'm going to adjust the belt length as well. Okay. And that should be enough for him to move around the room. Now let's connect the bass. Plug it in and see how it sounds. Okay, sounds good, hangs good, moves around great. That's all you need for a nice practice. See you next time. Stay tuned.